Welcome to our channel. The reason the F-22 Raptor program was cancelled, even though it was proven to be a sophisticated and deadly fighter jet. Jakarta.com. The United States Air Force, USAF, had intended to order 750 F-22 Raptor fighter jets. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation fighter jet made by Lockheed Martin. This stealth fighter jet made its maiden flight in 1997. Even so, the F-22 Raptor was not officially introduced into service with the USAF until December 2005. This is because U.S. enemy countries do not have adequate air defenses or fighter jets, reports Simple Flying. Tuesday, the 26th of December 2023. In addition, budget constraints in 2009 reduced orders to just 186 Raptor units. Meanwhile, only 150 units were capable of serving in combat. The USAF will begin retiring its F-22 Raptors in 2030 due to high operational costs and obsolescence in many areas. Because the F-22 Raptor is not produced in large numbers, the cost of manufacturing each jet is very high. This, coupled with the stealth materials on the F-22 Raptor, increases maintenance costs. Another factor is the rapid progress of more modern technology. As the F-22 program progressed, more advanced fighter jets, such as the F-35 Lightning II, were also developed. The United States now no longer has to stand in the way of any country, because its military is fighting in countries that don't need the F-22 Raptor.